quickest and easiest way to add talk hands-free smartphone features right through your older car factory radio. So what we're going to do is we're going to add Bluetooth capability to this factory unit without removing the unit for modification or buying a new radio. You simply use my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to add Bluetooth capability to any older car factory unit to integrate it to your smartphone. So that way, essentially, with my device, you will be able to make your older car radio as smart as your new smartphone. So you do not need a new car. You do not need a new radio. Simply get my gadget from my device and your car will feel new again. Let me show you how it's done. So this is what my unit, you get my unit from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. The unit comes with the control unit and a wire, 2 wires on one end, just one end, one wire. One is for USB, the other one is for aux. So we're going to use the USB part of it. So simply connect my USB part of it to the cigarette lighter for power and you're ready to go. Let me show you how easy it is to add Bluetooth capability to this Ford Ranger factory unit. So we turn it on. We set the radio to 87.9. As you can see that the radio has to be 87.9, which will match the setting over here. You can use any station, but you just want to make sure that they're matching. So all we're going to do is plug in this for power.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. See how easy it is to add Bluetooth capability to this Ford factory unit? You do not need to remove the radio. You do not need to do any modification. Simply connect this wire. Let's do it again. Let me turn off the ignition. So next time when you get in the car, let's say this is your work truck, which is you only use it when you're at work, and it does not have Bluetooth capability, and you want to enjoy your podcast or news or sports or even talk radio. All you have to do is plug in my device, and then next time when you get in the car, turn it on.
On Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. Now you'll be able to play any music, podcast, news, NPR, weather even, or Sirius radio. You'll be able to enjoy anything from your smartphone right through your factory unit without any sort of extra work. When the phone call comes in, simply press this button and you'll be able to engage your conversation loud and clear without static or hissing. When you're done with the conversation, you push this button again and it goes back to the music. So this is the quickest and easiest way to add Bluetooth capability to any older car factory unit. Simply connect my device to the radio, to the power, and your older car will feel as smart as your new smartphone. So essentially with my device, your older car will feel new again. You'll be able to listen and stream to any music, podcast, anything that you listen to from your smartphone. And you can even use Google, Siri, or Alexa to do your voice command, or you can use manually. So this is the quickest and easiest way to add talk hands-free smartphone features right through your older car factory radio. In this case will be a Ford Ranger pickup Ford factory radio stock unit right here to add Bluetooth capability to it. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. You get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.
Google Gizmo Guy Gadget for info.